Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both sides, your source file or API and the destination SQL database. Verify file encoding, delimiter, and column headers so mapping is predictable. Next, make sure you have connection details, host, port, database, schema, and a user with right permissions. Install any client or driver you need, PSQL or MySQL client, or an ETL utility, and test a simple connection. Once connected, list the target tables so you know where each dataset should land. You now transform and map. Load a sample set and inspect types, null, and date formats to avoid surprises. Create an explicit mapping from source columns to target columns and decide typecasts or default values. Use SQL or your ETL tool to trim whitespace, normalize dates to ISO, convert strings to numbers, and remove duplicates. Validate constraints against target schema so inserts won't fail. Once mappings are solid, run a small test load to confirm the data lands in the right columns. You finish by executing the load and verifying results. Choose bulk load or batched inserts depending on size, and monitor performance metrics and transaction behavior. After the run, verify row counts, checksums, and sample records to ensure fidelity. If rows fail, check error messages and logs. Common fixes include reducing batch size, adding typecasts, or supplying missing defaults for null. Make sure to wrap corrective loads in transactions, or use staging tables so you can roll back and reapply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.